This video is to introduce the third phase of work that we have planned for our site here in Bransholme. This site contains a pumping station which serves to pump out rainwater at times of heavy rains and storms from the catchments of North Hull around Kingswood and the Bransholme areas, and attached to it is a storage reservoir known as Bransholme Lagoon. Since 2007, Yorkshire Water has invested a great deal in this site. The first stage of works that we completed was to introduce 100% standby capacity at the pumping station to increase the capacity of the pumps and help us to protect the catchment from flooding. The second stage of the scheme was work that we did on the lagoon, which is the storage facility that we use here on the site. That involved moving the spillway, which was pointed in the direction of new houses that was being built, and allows water now to flow safely into the River Hull at times of heavy rainfall. It also at that same time increased the capacity of the lagoon so it can store more water, which again helps us to protect the catchment from flooding. This next third phase of work that we have planned for the site involves building a new pumping station next to the existing station and taking down the current station, which will no longer be required. The new pumps that we'll be putting in place will have a much bigger capacity and involve putting in Archimedes screws, which are the best possible solution for providing the maximum protection for this area from flooding in the future. The advantage of the Archimedes screws is that they can be run when they're dry, so we can test them all year round and make sure that they're working to their full capacity. Before we begin any work on this scheme, we'll be carrying out an extensive period of consultation with the local public to find out what people think about our scheme. If you want to get involved, you can come along to one of the two public exhibitions we'll be holding in the local Asda store, which is just across the road from this site. We'll also be distributing newsletters to all the local residents in the community. Or you can visit our website at any time, which will be updated on a regular basis at yorkshirewater.com/Bransholme.